um, people have been talking about how good Fable is at one-shotting stuff, right? And how like Anthropic just released this guidance saying, they went into their Claude MD, cut 80% of the crap in the Claude MD because the models have gotten so good now. They need actually less guidelines, and you can just say, hey, do this, give it a good goal, and set it up. So it's like, okay, one of the things I'm focusing on is I want to build up my content engine because I've been very lazy about publishing
Me
and
too. I need one.
email and all of that stuff. So my challenge last night is to Fable was I'm going to bed. Please build this while I go to sleep. And I want a content engine. I gave it a couple examples of sites that I like and how I want to position myself. I want a content engine. I want blogs that go up once or twice a week that are SEO, AEO optimized. I want a full engine where you mine for ideas, and it was really like this blabbing this out. So mine for ideas, build out a criteria where you evaluate the ideas, and then write the SEO, write it in my voice. And I have, so it has my voice to work with, write it in my voice, and then build some reels, scripts for reels and content that I can record out of it, build out a measuring platform. And again, rubrics along each step of the way. And then I kind of said, and I want to just be the don't show me anything that you haven't a couple of things, define what the criteria is because everything has to have a criteria, even at the idea stage. Don't show me anything unless it's past this rubric that you design. And then and basically take my current website, rebuild the whole website, position me and all of the stuff. And it did a fantastic job. So I woke up this morning, I have a whole content engine built up. My whole website is rebuilt. It's got 8 blog
That's
posts
great.
on there that are in my voice. It
Amazing.
has a whole and the other thing I asked it to do too was, give me some AI employees that take care of each step of the process along the way. And so it built out a roster of like 6 employees that one is for ideation and one is to fact check it, one is to build the script. And anyways, it was something to try because
Yeah, that's great.
literally,
Amazing.
it does have your information to work with, but it has whole like I'm blown away.
That's
That's
fantastic.
awesome.
And you
That's
Did
said
you
you did that
see,
in Fable?
Sabrina?
Pardon?
I'm sorry, I just asked if you had done that in Fable, Gina?
Yeah, I did it in
Okay.
Fable. Yeah, yeah. So I had it, I kind of set it up, and to, full disclosure, I did it while I was lying in bed, falling asleep. I just went, blah, this is what I want. I'm going to sleep. Don't, ask me any questions right now before I go to bed. And probably talked for about 15, 20 minutes and kind of said,
Wow.